everybody, this is Miss Starnes, and I just have your answers that I need you to double check for your Moving into the Americas activity today. And this is what we call a fill in the blank activity, and we usually do this kind of as a closed reading activity before you actually have your assessment, which would be your test that's coming up for the Ice Age. So let's make sure you double check your answers and let's make those corrections. So moving into the Americas. About 20,000 years ago, Earth was very cold. This period is called the Ice Age. So check your spelling, guys, and check your capital letters, the Ice Age. During the Ice Age, sheets of ice called glaciers formed. A large part of land was frozen under the glaciers. The blank strait is a narrow body of water between. So this would be the Bering Strait. The Bering Strait is a narrow body of water between Asia and the continent of North America. So during the Ice Age, the Bering Strait, sometimes called Beringia or Beringia, became shallower. Land under the water was uncovered. This land formed a land bridge between Asia and North America. Some people have a theory or explanation about how people first came to the Americas. This theory is that hunters from Asia followed animals across the bridge to the Americas. And then here you see a map, and this shows you Asia, which back then, and today we call it Siberia, which is part of Russia. And then we have North America right here. This is actually today the state of Alaska. And up here, this is the North Pole with Iceland and Greenland and Canada. So all of this, based on the theory, would have been frozen. So the water would have been frozen into ice, and then the animals crossed the land bridge. The hunters followed them to have their food source, and that is how we think that they all came to be in North America.